Then the verdict came back. Guilty. All 110 counts. John D. Walker, guilty of conspiracy to defraud the FAA and NTSB, guilty of aircraft parts fraud causing death, guilty of money laundering, guilty of bribery. And Hansen Helicopters, Inc., the company itself, was also found guilty on all counts. 3 days later, Walker's $1 million bail was revoked, and he was remanded to federal custody to await sentencing. He would wait nearly 3 years. June 9th, 2025, in the District Court of Guam, the chief judge calls the case for sentencing. John D. Walker, 60 years old, stood before the court. Behind him was a trail of fraud stretching back more than 2 decades. 10 deaths, more than a dozen serious injuries, over 30 crashes, $400 million extracted through 48 shell companies and endless lies. The sentence came down as follows: 405 months in federal prison, 33 years and 9 months. And at 60 years old, John Walker's earliest possible release date would come when he is 93 or 94 years old. It's effectively a death sentence.